Assalamu alaikum. I'm Karan Hussain from Bangladesh. Today I'm gonna show you a treadmill circuit. This circuit is problem when I press start button, it's turning on for 11 seconds. After 11 seconds, it's showing E02. Let's go and I show you the problem. There have a health switch. Already I connect this magnet. I press start. Yes, time is counting and motor is turning on. You can see when this time is reached 11, this display showing E02. So now I solve this problem. This shunt is used for current sensing, and this connect direct bus voltage negative, and there is a operational amplifier. This is 358. First pin is output, 2 number is inverting input, and 3 number is non-inverting input, as well as there is 5 number is input, 6 number is input, and 7 number is output, 8 number is VCC in. So our 7 number pin have no any output, and this pin is connected this resistor. There had a 1k resistor, but I see this there is no any resistor. Previous engineers try to solve this circuit. I don't know. Now I put a 1k resistor and see what will happen. Brother, you can see now I put 1k resistor and I connect again and see what is the status right now. Connect E02 and press the start button. The time is starting. Yes, you can see also this machine is showing E02. Now we are do one thing. This is our personal modification. turning on and time is counting. Yes, you can see now time is stable and counting this number and reach this number, increase this number, and see motor is turning on and they're not showing any error code. You can start stop button, press stop this motor and start again. You can increase this motor speed. If you want to increase this motor speed, then you have to press speed plus. Yes, thanks for watching. If you want to get this type video like industrial equipment, medical equipment, and any type of electronics equipment, please subscribe my channel and press bell button. Thanks for watching.